Welcome to part 2 of my video explaining how to create effective responsive search ads in your Google Ads campaign. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. In part 1 I explored some of the ways that you can enhance your Google Ads responsive search ad campaigns. In this video, I'll give you some further tips to enhance the performance of your ads. Popular keywords. Make sure to include text from your keywords that relate to your ad group. This will improve the relevancy and effectiveness of your ads for the user. Ad strength. Try to get your ad strength to a good or excellent rating. This will give you feedback to help you improve the message to your users. Look at the recommended action steps within Google Ads to refine your campaign. Remove pinning. If you have previously pinned your headlines and descriptions, you may want to remove the pinning so that the Google Ads system can create more combinations of ads and improve the overall performance. I hope you enjoyed this video and would love to hear any other tips that you have for improving the effectiveness of responsive search ads. Please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining in, and I hope to see you soon in my next video.